watch this video so that you can fully understand the glottal sound H.
The sound is called the voiceless glottal fricative, which means the sound is made with the motion of your vocal cords, but it's not voiced. The sound is made through the mouth and is aspirated, which means air comes out of your mouth as you say the sound, and you don't vibrate your vocal cords. But it is defined by the position of your vocal cords because it's a fricative. Fricatives are sounds which are made by bringing two parts of your mouth or throat very close together and pushing air through them. In this case, that's your vocal cords. The sound doesn't have a specific mouth shape, but it normally takes the shape from the following sounds. To produce the sounds, constrict your throat and breathe out through your mouth. The shape of your mouth doesn't matter as much. It'll probably just be whatever shape you're making in the next sound.
So, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon class. By the way, I'm your teacher, Jane Mark, but you can call me Jane. Our lesson for today is lesson 8, which is fricative glottal sound H. So, I have here some words that I will be going to discuss or read using a fricative word which is H. So, first is home. Home. The fricative word here is in the initial, which is it. Second is head. Head. So the fricative is in the initial and also hira. Hira. And then fourth is history. History. So here is behind. Behind. So the fricative word is in the medial. So ha, behind. And second is decaying. Decaying.